something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. Now we can go anywhere you like and do anything you want, anything you want. 'Cause every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now. Oh, I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
It's a beautiful day out. It's glorious 35 degrees. Dan's getting married today with Drake in the cut. Let's get it. Dan Cam finally getting married. Yes, we're here. We made it. Let's go. February 27th. Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. My firstborn son is getting married.
Well, I love that. Thank you very much. On a 1 to 10 scale, how beautiful does Karlee look in her dress?
20.
20. Wow, your answer was higher than Dan's. How are you feeling about today?
You know, pretty good, all things considered.
I feel really calm.
A little nervous, but I think that's normal.
Yeah, just so excited.
I'm excited.
Yes. How'd the first look go with Dan Cam?
She's stunning.
I didn't know I was telling a lie.
Got a little gift, do a gift exchange.
Whoa! Came through dripping. Drip, drip.
Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. 'cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever and ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
My advice for Dan and Karlee is to enjoy the little moments together. There's going to be big moments in your life that are obvious to celebrate, but enjoy the moments where you're sitting at home in silence too. Enjoying time with your best friend, because that's what you guys are. So enjoy.
My advice for Dan and Karlee is don't take life too seriously. Have little moments of just laughing things off and just letting things go and focusing on loving each other at the end of the day. And have so much fun in this sweet season of being newlyweds. It goes by like this. Life gets crazy, but enjoy all the new little things together. And I just wish you the very best. And I'm so excited for both of you, and I love you both so much.
I would just say to always put her first and be selfless.
Be gracious with one another and be quick to listen and slow to speak and to have fun. Let go of the little things and have fun with each other.
Luke will appreciate this one. Do not move in next door. Thank you.
Communicate. Even if it's something simple and small, communicate. And your marriage will just build on top of that.
My advice would be laugh often, have fun, and don't take life too seriously because life's short. And why be upset over nothing? So, love you guys.
My advice for Dan and Karlee is to make sure you set good financial goals and then determine what you want in life and where you're going. So when your wife orders a new kitchen, you can say that's not on our financial goals, and you can tell her no. But otherwise, most of all, love one each other, you know, no matter what. So, love you guys.
My advice for Karlee and Dan would be to always think the best of one another.
I've been married for about 10 years now, so yeah, that was cool.
Guys, my advice to you is what I said last night. 3-word sentences. I'm sorry. I was wrong. Please forgive me. I love you. And Dan, what are you supposed to remember? Yes, that's right. Yes, dear. Love you guys.
My advice to Dan and Karlee is never throw a football when Karlee's drinking a White Claw at Wisma Point. Just kidding. Love you guys.
My advice would be to remember how beautiful Karlee looks today and how handsome Dan looks, and to always cherish each other and to remember all the friends and family they have today and to love each other forever. Love you guys.
Hi Dan, hi Karlee. My advice for you is to never go to bed angry at each other, but to make sure that you, when you go to bed, that you are happy with each other. And that was the advice Rich and I were given, was never go to bed angry with each